Alright, these are the parking garage elevators here at OCA Hospital Auna in Monterrey, Mexico. Wow, gotta love that lighting. So these are hospital size. Yeah, we're gonna go up to 7. These are the odd number floors elevators. This is an Elevadores International. These are international elevators. Or no, 8 is out of order. You're at 7. Gotta love that chime. Down to PV. Look at this lighting, y'all. It's so beautiful. So, such a nice international elevator. Look at the mirror, hey. And right here are the fixtures and the indicator. And here at PB. Hear that chime again. That's it. We're gonna get the right one. But there are your vending machines. Alright. There goes the last one. Let's catch the right one now. I wonder if this one, it's here for some reason, or it doesn't want to open. I don't think this one is working. So, why won't this one open? That's strange. Who knows, but we can do another ride on this because I think this one is broken, so we're gonna use this one again. So despite the hospital renovations, these elevators are still the same. This hospital was originally OCA Hospital, but alright, yeah, see, 8 is locked. 7. So yeah, we can do another ride. The right one doesn't want to open up. So it's broken. So yeah, this hospital was formerly just OCA Hospital, but it's rebranded as OCA Hospital Auna, just like the doctor's hospital. The doctor's hospital was also originally just Doctor's Hospital, and now it became Auna. We're at 7. All right, down to PB, and we'll end it there. Should view out the parking garage. Let's do one last cab view. Again, whoa, we're going up. We're here at 8. I thought the 8th floor wasn't working. I think I'm. Whoa, what the heck? All right. Oh crap. It's not closing. The door is stuck. Oh crap. Look at that. The door won't open. It won't close. The alarm bell's not working. We're stuck here. Okay. What the heck? I'm stuck in here. Oh crap. Yeah, that's why it's out of order. I accidentally pressed it. I accidentally pressed this floor, so. Alright, there we go. That was a bit of a struggle. We're stopping by. That was a bit of a struggle, guys, so I thought it was getting stuck. But yeah. That was weird. So yeah, we should never go to this floor, so. Okay. Let's do one final cab view. Your hospital-sized elevator. And right here are the fixtures and the indicator. We're stopping by. No one's here. Yeah, the alarm bell doesn't work, unfortunately. So there's your stop switch right there. Gosh, that scared me. So anyways, we're gonna watch the button go out. No, I think this elevator's a bit busy though. Haha.
Bajamos.
Pásale.
No, bajamos. Subimos, pero subimos.
Estoy bajando.
Ah, sí, no importa, nos paseamos.
Okay. Door close does not work this time. Baja.
¿Cuánto baja?
Gracias.
Ya. Pásale. So what's the button go out?
Pues aquí no.
Yes. All right, there you all have it. Gosh, the door was getting stuck, so that's why the eight button is omitted. So, well, at least there you have it now. So, all right, there it goes, and that's it.